Practice dribbling in this game that helps introduce players to their teammates. We call it Gimme 5. Use a half court. The space inside the three-point line is the playing area. Here's how it looks. On your call,
go!
Everyone starts dribbling around the space, high-fiving as many of their teammates as possible with their non-dribbling hand. Play short 30-second rounds and ask players to keep track of how many high fives they make.
Who was the best teammate? How much you get?
18.
You got how many?
18.
18.
Then,
19.
see if they can beat their high score in the next round.
Ready, set, go!
Beginners may double dribble or travel. Remind them to follow the bouncing ball and dribble it wherever they go. It's also important for players to keep their heads up and their eyes open. This will help them avoid collisions and get them used to multitasking while dribbling.